Are you one of those who would say, God forbid, when you are told your blood pressure is high? Or you are one of them that will say it's not your portion when the issue of high blood pressure is mentioned? Perhaps you've accepted the diagnosis of hypertension, but you vowed never to be compliant with your medication. Well, take a listen. Let's discuss the possible complications that could result from poor blood pressure control. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a long-term medical condition in which the blood pressure in the arteries are persistently elevated. Arteries are vessels that carries blood, oxygenated blood or oxygen-rich blood to the tissues and organs of the body. There are several problems or complications that could arise when your blood pressure is not well controlled. One of them is that poor blood pressure control can cause serious damage to the heart. Excessive pressure can harden the arteries, decreasing blood flow and oxygen to the heart. This elevated pressure and reduced blood flow can cause many problems, including chest pain, which is also called angina. It can cause heart attack, which occurs when blood supply to the heart is blocked and the heart muscle cells begin to die off from lack of oxygen. The longer the blood flow is blocked, the greater the damage to the heart. Heart failure can also result from poor blood pressure control. This occurs when the heart can no longer pump enough blood and then oxygen to other vital organs of the body. It can also cause irregular heartbeats, which in some cases might even lead to death. Uncontrolled hypertension is also one of the most common causes of stroke. It can also lead to visual loss or visual disturbances. It can affect the kidney, leading to kidney failure. It can cause sexual problems, erectile dysfunctions. It can increase your chances of developing diabetic if you are not diabetic already. And if you are, it can worsen the diabetes. Poor blood pressure control can increase the risk of developing dementia and consequently can also cause cognitive decline. Now that we know and understand clearly what danger that might be associated with poor blood pressure control, the next will be to discuss the preventive measures, and this we will do in our next episode. There's a popular saying that to be forewarned is to be forearmed. It is important to make your health a priority